What if I told you this isn't just a helmet? This is the pinnacle of aerodynamic warfare, the very shell that dominates the world's racetracks. The Shoei X15 is an absolute masterpiece of speed and silence, engineered not just for protection, but for pure, unadulterated velocity. We're about to dissect the engineering secrets that make this the most aggressive and coveted helmet on the planet. Are you ready to see what true performance looks like? Let's dive in. Shoei brings an elite blend of craftsmanship, technology, and rider-focused design with the RF-1400 full-face motorcycle helmet, making it a standout option in the Shoei RF-1400 helmet category. Priced at $679.99, it reflects premium value through superior engineering and long-lasting durability. The helmet's advanced shell is crafted from a fiberglass and EPS composite, offering lightweight strength and exceptional impact protection. At just 3.6 pounds, it's Shoei's lightest Snell-approved model, reducing neck fatigue during extended rides and enhancing maneuverability. The aerodynamic shell has been reshaped to reduce lift and drag, helping riders maintain control at high speeds while cutting down on strain caused by wind pressure. Noise reduction is a major highlight, thanks to the newly designed shield system that seals tightly against the shell. This, combined with improved window beating and shell aerodynamics, dramatically lowers wind and road noise so riders enjoy a quieter, more immersive experience. Shoei also includes an emergency quick-release cheek pad system that lets first responders remove the pads without shifting the helmet or endangering the rider's neck alignment in a crash situation. Inside, the RF-1400 uses a multi-layer EPS liner that optimizes both ventilation and impact absorption, while the 3D Max Dry interior padding is plush, sweat-wicking, removable, and fully washable to maintain hygiene over time. The included CWRF 2-face shield offers a wide field of vision and pairs with the Pinlock EVO lens to prevent fog buildup in varying temperatures. The helmet also comes with a breath guard and chin curtain to minimize turbulence and direct airflow more efficiently. The basalt gray finish gives it a clean, modern, and minimalist style that complements any bike, while the unisex fit and range of sizes ensure secure comfort for different head shapes. Shoei's attention to detail extends to accessories and protection off the road, with a durable helmet bag included for safe storage and transport. The 5-year warranty from the purchase date or 7 years from manufacture shows Shoei's confidence in the RF-1400's quality and construction. Riders choosing this helmet for $679.99 get a balance of comfort, protection, silence, and style that truly elevates the riding experience, making it an excellent investment for daily commuting, touring, or long-distance adventures. In conclusion, the Shoei X15 stands as a true game-changer for serious riders. If you're seeking peak aerodynamic performance and top-tier safety, this helmet is in a class of its own. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.